Today we are going to demonstrate the removal and installation of a bottom steel edge on a 38-inch SnowPusherLite. This will require several tools to complete. Find a workspace to set the SnowPusher on. It may help to also prop the handle up off the ground on a chairback or bar stool. Using a 1/4-inch drill bit, slowly drill through the top of the pop rivet head to separate it from the rivet body. Repeat this step for each pop rivet. Be careful not to drill through the body of the SnowPusher. If you find a rivet with the center shank protruding through the top of the rivet head, you may need to use a 7/32 drill and remove the rivet by drilling from the bottom of the steel edge. Once all of the rivets are drilled through and the old steel edge is removed, you are ready to install the new steel edge. Install the supplied hardware by pushing a screw through the plastic blade and threading a lock nut against the bottom steel edge. Use a Phillips screwdriver and 3/8 wrench to hand tighten the hardware until one thread is protruding through the lock nut. Be careful not to over-tighten. You have now finished the removal and installation of a bottom steel edge on a 38-inch SnowPusherLite.